Minsan, ang pinakamagagandang alaala ay hindi makikita sa mamahaling lugar, kundi sa simpleng sandaling magkasama ang mga taong mahalaga sa atin.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky.
Eto na nga, naisipan naming magcamping sa isang resort dito lang sa amin sa Dangkagan. Nagyaya kasi itong mag-asawa na to kasi uuwi na daw sila sa kanila. Malapit na kasi ang pasukan. Kaya yun, go na kami. Kasi wala rin naman kaming mga activity this past few months na magkakasama kaming lahat. Yung last gala kasi namin New Year pa yun, kaya medyo matagal na. Kaya kahit alanganin sa oras silang nagyaya, go na kami. Kung ano lang yung madala, okay na yun.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light, I'm coming home.
Hindi ko na pinakita yung pag-install namin sa tent kasi gabi na rin kami nakarating at medyo gutom na halos lahat. Kaya nagluto na sila ng hapunan at yun na, nagsimula na ang kwentuhan.
Ang gunting din.
Ano na talaga?
Sino madalay ka?
Ano ba ng tuhod sa brother na yan?
Patranap dog.
Masa?
Diba si wala yan nila dati? Wait, tilawin na. Palungan na lang sa siguro na.
Wala. Ano na?
Ay, sinikon namin, sabaw ang namin. Lagi ka na mo. Kaya pag-awat-awat katalungan, tanaw, shot pa ka.
Ano ba binahaon na na? Marami mo nito. Ay, wala isabaw.
Don't listen to what everyone else says. Take your time. You're not their mess. Yeah, you might not be at your best, but it's fine. I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them, and be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out, help you fight? let you know that it won't always be this way. You will get there someday, babe. Feel the sun on your face. Visit Paris or Broadway and chill out on Sundays. Please don't take this the wrong way. I'm on your side through the worst days. I just have to say I miss my best friend. Seeing her smile, still I don't mind telling truths when you need to hear them. And be kind when that's what you prefer. How about when you can't see a way out? Help you fight and let you know that it won't
Dumating sa Malayan.
get there someday.
Bawat sandali ay nagiging alaala na hindi malilimutan. Mas maganda ang gabi kapag napapalibutan ng tunay na kaibigan at pagmahal na pamilya.
Stop, just hold on a minute. This part is nearly finished. You'll get a fresh start. So count to 10, take a deep breath.
Katapos ng kainan at kwentuhan, nagyaya na rin ng mga bata na maligo sa pool.
You'll ever find.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking by yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to a favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye, something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
Ang camping adventure namin na ito ay nagpapaalala na hindi kailangan na ingranding bagay para sumaya. Dahil minsan, sapat na ang kalikasan, simpleng kasiyahan, at mga taong kasama nating gumawa ng alaala. Magkasama tayong tumawa, magkasama tayong maglakbay, at magkasama tayong lumikha ng mga alaalang mananatili habang buhay.